Boom shakalaka, stablecoins rushing back into crypto, preceding each major rally previously. Is this just excessive dumb money optimism? Are we about to see another leg down? Or could we be on the way to new all-time highs? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including massive stablecoin deployments. Is this just dumb money optimism, or are we on the way to a new all-time high? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, down from greed yesterday at 55. We were down to 52. Today, back to neutral. Thank goodness. It flipped from extreme fear to greed a little bit too fast for my being comfortable. The overall market today pretty much sideways, up 0.5%. Bitcoin at 22,995, Ethereum at 1593, BNB at 308, XRP 41 cents, Cardano 38 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Polygon $1.13. And the best coins today, based on artificial intelligence, would be BNB, Axelar, Saitama, Pax Gold, and OKB. And if you want to check out token measures for yourself, there's a link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today still sitting just below $23,000-ish area, where a lot of Bitcoin has traded hands. This is a big peak on the volume profile. But that being said, this dotted white line right here is a huge line in the sand for Bitcoin, because as you can see, this orange line has gone from going down to going back up. Each of the last 3 times, on average, this happened, Bitcoin went up 3,000%. That's 30x. Yikes. And as we see right now, a lot of stablecoins being deployed into the market, rushing back into cryptos. This is not the time you want to be on the sidelines, because every time this has happened previously, it has coincided with some massive rallies in Bitcoin's price. And right now, the price has gone up a little bit, but definitely not as significant compared to how many stablecoins are rushing back into the market right now. But you got to consider, is this just dumb money optimism? As we take a look here, this from Game of Trades, this dumb money optimism has marked every top throughout 2022. Are we about to see another leg down? If we zoom out, gives additional insights. There's periods when the dumb money optimism is sustained. It can stay in the red line for prolonged periods of time, causing market peaks before the eventual market crashes. So this dumb money optimism may just be market heading up even more before it eventually comes back down. We see right now that Bitcoin bouncing off of the RSI bottom levels, suggesting the monthly RSI is in fact in good area to accumulate Bitcoin for the long term, has always historically marked bear market bottom. So a lot of indicators suggesting that now is the bottom, even though dumb money has gotten very optimistic very quickly. And we saw that in the fear and greed indicator going to greed yesterday. Now, if we take a look at the trend for Bitcoin, a big move came as expected, Bitcoin flipping green. You can see right down there where the mouse is. Bitcoin likes to catch trend majority off guard. The trend following moving averages is now starting to flip green. Historically, when this happened, this was like the beginning of massive rallies for Bitcoin. So once again, signaling massive rallies. As a matter of fact, the super trend signal giving a buy signal right now. Every time this happened, a strong rally followed. And we can see right now, strong rally potentially to follow. Bitcoin right now has a breakout of a symmetrical triangle on the MACD on the daily candles. We can see 15-month long breakout has broken out right now to the upside, may send Bitcoin to a new all-time high. This could be very, very important for Bitcoin. And if we take a look here, proceeding as usual with yet another crossover that has signaled the bottom of every single market. So as we can see, Bitcoin has a lot of bottom signals. Sure, there's the dumb money optimism thing, because once prices go up, everybody wants to go long 100x. But things are looking like we could be kind of the bottom, like the worst may be over. As a matter of fact, the first green monthly candle has just appeared after a long bear market. Now these are Heiken-Ashi candles, so they show the trend. They're not going to change every month, but we can see every time after the first monthly green candle after a long downtrend, look at this, 406x, 125x, 20x, even if it's half of that, 10x, $200,000 Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, great segue, Randall. Thanks, Randall. That brings us to this last chart here, where Bitcoin's stochastic all-time high could be. Well-formed structure with stochastic behavior indicates that the next all-time high will be at $200,000 and the next floor will be at $70,000. So as we can see here, from the stochastic bottoms to the all-time high, we can see rolls right back there. And again, and same exact thing. Well, if we just basically copy and paste, this would put the next bottom at $70,000 and the next all-time high at $200,000 based on this stochastic right down here. So that being said, things are looking good, looking like we might have a 10x on Bitcoin, or at the very least, the next bottom still being a 3.5x from where we are right now. Things are looking good. Anyways, it takes time. But that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy, push that like button. It's great to spend this time with you every day, guys. I'll catch you later. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.